Okay, we use the soldering iron to stick this adhesive on the flex cable. Now take off the wrist glue. Now we should to put this LCD flex cable on the LCD. First, we should clean the glue because after we remove the flex cable, it will be some glue on it. So we should remove it. Use the special liquid. This liquid is for ACF remover liquid. Okay, just use a bit later, but make sure the middle parts with IC we cannot touch it because this liquid will damage it. So we should be careful. 为什么会那种程度啊？
你说我先把它刮掉先。
Okay, with the.
行，你再清洗。Now we clean well for it. Then呢，放里面去吧。 擦干净。
Then use the liquid to clean it. Another liquid. This liquid is for clean the dust. Okay, we will operating this machine. First, we should make sure it's be the same plate, same line. Yeah, we adjust the screw, adjust the screw. Make sure this LCD can go through well from the middle glass. This one called the middle glass. It's the glass. Okay. So we turn well. I enter the yellow button to function the LCD. There will no remove anymore. And now we use the microscope to check where, to adjust where the size, and we'll see the focus. Because we should adjust where this line keep the same line 一条平行线啊。Keep it the same line. Okay. Keep here this line. Keep the same line. That is okay. And now we take off the speaker from the LCD flex cable. Peel off. Put inside the LCD flex cable and adjust the size. Adjust the size. Yeah. 你再调一下呗。 Okay, we should make sure the LCD flash cable is the same line as the LCD to keep everyone match well. Okay. Now we will do it as automatic and the pressure at 190 or 180. That's no problem. And the temperature we setting at where the 260. Okay. So we will start it. Enter the green button. Then the plate will pass down the fridge laminating it. Then finish it. Okay, the 12 seconds. And cooling time for 3 seconds. Okay. Now we will check it. Match it very well. Okay, we can take off. And now we test it.
没压上触摸排线，它是有个静电的。
Because we didn't put the touch flash cable on it, so with the static problems. So later we will show you how to attach where the touch flash cable on the LCD. Okay, so next step we will show you. Okay.
再压触摸。
Okay. Now we will attach the touch flash cable on it.
贴这个胶也是一样的。是。
It's a low temperature adhesive. We use the same adhesive, the same way. Attach where the adhesive on it. Keep it a little bit more longer, a little bit longer. Okay, use the paper. Then the adhesive easy take off. Use the soldering iron. Make sure the temperature be 300 or 350. And keep the soldering iron very straight with the flash cable.
应该说两头的胶要它粘在纸上。
And both sides of the adhesive should be in the paper, on the paper. Yeah, the extra glue should make sure it take off. And this paper with no glue. And later we use it for peel off.
关在调到那里。
Okay, now we use this stethoscope to match where the size. Okay. The lamp. And this is the plate for put the flat cable. And with the temperature we set where at 40 degrees. 40 the temperature. We setting where for you. Okay. After the temperature reaches at the 40, we can use it.
对射线路是怎样？拿这个来对，等一下把它切掉这层胶。
First we take off the glue, the adhesive. Take off one side and match one side from this microscope. Sure. We should keep the black line with the gold line. Okay. Both sides on. Okay, we match one side. Then another side easy to match well on the LCD. We peel off the sticker. Then look well so we can match together. Okay, now finish it. We should use the machine, laminating machine, laminating machine to work it. 然后现在可以了，来工作了。
我们先教他看一下先嘛，对上的。
看什么？
看一下对上去，看一下先。
First, we should check well if we match well. Checking. So, use again the microscope to focus it. Adjust the size well. 哪里看？
这是第一条，刚刚跟你们说的，就是下面细的是排线的，上面粗的是2点，是玻璃上的，已经对上去了。
The thin line is for the touch glass. Okay. After we check it well, it's be the same line match very well. So we use the flex laminating machine to laminate it. Because it's with the both sides, so we should laminating one side by one side.
现在打下来对一下位置先。
And we change it at the menu. And the pressure we adjust it. Keep the lower pressure as 90, 80, 90. It's no problem. And turn down, keep it down, then the laminating will be done slowly. You should adjust well the size. Okay, finish it matching. Then we turn on the automatic. And again, adjust the pressure. And turn the green button. And after 12 seconds, what's very clear about this? You can see it's 12 seconds. Okay. And again, we match well another side.
也是一样的。
Turn on the menu function and adjust the pressure. Keep the key is down. And adjust well. It's be the same. Okay, we function the LCD. Okay, adjust it at the automatic temperature at 180, 180 or 190 centimeters. Okay. So now we testing again. Because this LCD, the LCD here is a little broken, but not influence it. We can test it.不是手。We can test the touch function.
可以。
It's be very good.
录不录得到？就触摸这个点。
Yeah, we touch it. Make sure the touch function are very good. Exactly. Okay. So the first step, we finish it.